Hey crafty friends, it's Rick. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be making an A2 gift card holder using the flip open present die set from Scrappy Boy Stamps. And I'm also using some of the Butt Cracker Fairies pattern paper. This is the first version I made. You would put your gift card in here with like a glue dot. So that's what it's going to look like. So we're going to start off with our base. And I've just used Hammer Mill Smooth 100-pound cardstock. I would suggest nothing over 100 pounds to make it easy. But we're going to reinforce our score lines. And then you're going to need two pieces that are this one right here. So we'll reinforce that. And then this little piece gets folded back on itself. And then this one gets folded in. So it should look kind of like that. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. So this one gets folded back. And that one gets folded back. All right, then the others is just our parts and pieces for our decorative parts. All right, I've got this rectangle I cut out twice. One's from pattern paper and one's from colored cardstock. These I've cut out twice from pattern paper and from cardstock. And everything else is just cut out one time. So we're going to add our strip of pattern paper first to the inside. So we're going to add strong adhesive on that. And you're going to want to make sure to get it in the center of your base and not go past your score line. You only want to go right up to the score line. Okay. And then we're going to attach our side arms next, which will be here and here. So I'm going to use some dry adhesive plus a little liquid glue so that I can get this into place. We want to go right up to the edge of our scored line right there and to the edge of our envelope base. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. And I'm sorry I sound so sickly today because I've actually had the flu all weekend. And then I went to the doctor this morning and come to find out it's almost bronchitis. So, yay me. All right, let's make sure this is lined up. So we got to adjust right there. Then we're going to go past our inside layer. There we go. Now we're going to add adhesive on our little flaps here. And we're going to do them one at a time. You could use very thin score tape if you wanted to. We're just going to attach it right here, right up against that edge, right there, so that we can close this like so. Just going to line up right along that edge right there. So I'm just going to line that all the way up. Stay within our score lines. Make sure you give your adhesive time to dry. All right, now we're going to take and attach our pieces of pattern paper again. They're going to go on these little flaps. But what we're going to do You only want adhesive to go about right in here. You don't want it to go past that flap. So we only need adhesive because those are going to go right there. You don't want to go past that little corner. Otherwise, our project will not close. All right, same thing on our other side. I like just to kind of lay my pattern paper in there. And then I can kind of judge where not to go past. I'll take that. I can line that up. Here's the inside part of our gift card holder. All right, now for the outside. We're going to start with our other rectangle. We're going to add that. That's going to get centered on the top of our, right here, this little part. It's going to get centered right on there. That's the top of our present. So we'll make sure that's nice and centered. These pieces are going to go on the inside right here. But you don't want to go past that, the little corner. You can't go past that. Otherwise, it will not close correctly. So we got that one. Add adhesive on this one. You want to keep it right at the corner of that the corners. Okay. All right. Now, once you get these on, you can make any adjustments you need to make, slide anything up. We're going to take this little rectangle. It's going to go over the center of our present. So we only have to have adhesive on one side. So that it still opens. Don't glue it to close. This one is going to go on the top of our present. It's like the continuation of the ribbon. So you're going to make sure it centers right there. It's going to also help you pull it open. Now for the bow, we've got that part that I've cut from a lighter blue cardstock. Same as our ribbon. And then we have our little bow tie and our underneath part of our bow. So we're going to add our top layer of our bow first. That'll just get layered over the top. And there is... Kind of make sure you get it nice and lined up. Then you can take the bow tie, add liquid glue behind that, pop it in the center, and then you're going to take the little tie part, and that gets popped on. And then we can attach our bow. to our gift tag or gift card holder. All you need to do at that point is take it and add it to an A2 card base. It's just standard card base. And it's all ready to go. Add your gift card and you're all set. Remember, I have all the supplies used linked and listed in the video description below. So they're for your easy shopping convenience. And I will see you guys in the next video.